So I want to give you a quick update on the microgreen seeds that we're starting. These are our pea seeds. We're growing these with no soil, no mats or anything. So I'm going to take this lid off. This is after 3 days. I'm still keeping them in the dark. Just had the lights on for the purpose of this video. But the pea seeds are looking really great. They are lifting up that tray and sprouting. I still need to keep them in the dark for a little bit longer. But you'll see underneath, I have the water underneath, and the roots are going through just fine into the water. Just make sure your water's high enough that they're touching the roots but not up through the white tray. So I'm going to put that lid back on and keep it like that for at least another day. Over here I have radish seeds. So these I have weighted down because they're a little slower, and I want to make sure the roots go down through the screen. If I take this off, you'll see the radish seeds. They all are sprouting. I just want to make sure to force those roots down through the paper towel that I had to put on so the seeds didn't fall through the screen. But the radish seeds are looking good, and some of the roots are popping through. It's kind of hard to catch that on camera, but I see a few roots coming through there. But I'm going to keep that on, and I'm going to keep the weight on this one to force those roots down. Maybe another day. But that's my update on the radish and the pea microgreen seeds. Follow along for more in the next few days.